Hi everyone, let's have a discussion on the topic of derivation of transfer function from state model. Okay, see in the first module we have discussed obtaining the state model from the different methods. So they are giving a transfer function, differential equation like that. So you have to get the state model by using the different methods. Okay, transfer function they are giving, we are obtaining state model, but in the second model that is reverse order. Okay, they are giving state model. Okay, from the state model derive the transfer function, so that we have to consider for this state model. Okay, from the state model we have to derive the transfer function. So let's consider the state model. State model means what? State equation and output equation collectively we called as state model. Okay, these two equations we called as what? State model. First is state equation, x dot is equal to x plus bu and output y is equal to cx plus du. These two equations we call as state model. See here, what is the transfer function definition? Transfer function means what? Output by input, right? Output divided by input means here our output is y and input is u. So that transfer function is equal to y divided by u. Okay. So that derive transfer function from this, that is y divided by u. Whatever you are getting the transfer function, that is what? Transfer function of the state model. So that we need y divided by u term. That's why we are getting that term in the second equation, y divided by u term, and only one term extra is there, x term is there. Okay. So we have to convert this x into what? Y or u for. So we have to take common here and you will get transfer function is equal to y divided by u. So that remove this x of t, okay, in terms of y and u, because we need transfer function. Okay, so that replace this x of t from the first equation. From this first equation, replace x of t and rearrange the equation. Take. Okay. Next, see here, y of s is equal to c into x of s plus d into a of s. Okay. Next, here neglecting the what? X of 0, because this is initial term, we are neglecting this. Okay, it becomes a 0 term. Remaining term s into x of it is equal to a into x of s plus b into u of s. Okay, you have to rewrite the equation. Next, see here x of s there, here x of s there. Okay, take it common one side, both sides arrange one side. Okay, x of s common. Take remaining is b into u of s. Okay, so if you take x of s common here, remaining is what? S into minus a. Okay, see here s into minus a, but here we are writing here si minus a. Why you have to multiply this? I means identity matrix to the s term, because see here a is the what? Matrix. Okay, and a is the what here? Operator. Okay, s is the operator here. Okay, and a is the matrix. So operator, whatever constant term was there, minus matrix, it is not possible. We can do matrix minus matrix. Matrix multiplication we can do. A minus a, b minus a matrix, c matrix minus a matrix. Like this you have to do matrix minus matrix. Each element you have to subtract or add or multiply or divide. But S is the operator here, A is the matrix. So we can't do the subtraction here. For this purpose, S operator we have to multiply by identity matrix. So identity matrix means what? Diagonal elements are 1, remaining all elements are 0. So that there is no difference. Okay, identity matrix multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು difference ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So that I have to make it a matrix. S becomes a matrix, SI matrix. So that matrix minus matrix it is a possible. So that ಎರಡು matrix convert ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ S operator ಗೆ identity matrix multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. S minus A, it is not possible. Therefore, I have to convert. This is also a matrix. So, matrix minus matrix into x of s. Remaining is b into u of s. Okay. Next, multiply both sides by Si minus A inverse. Why I am multiplying Si minus A inverse? Because I need x of s. Okay. See here, what I said starting only, I have to remove x of t, right? So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Laplace ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು x of s. I have to replace x of s. X of s ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Rearrange this equation, so that x of s you can obtain from the first equation, previous equation. Therefore, here x of s coefficient is what? Si minus A matrix. So I have to remove this matrix. Okay, so multiply both sides by Si minus A inverse. Okay, so Si minus A inverse into Si minus A into x of s. Okay, you know that A inverse A is equal to what? 1. That is identity matrix. So this is the matrix rule. Okay, law A minus A inverse A, okay, that is 1 or identity matrix. So this is the matrix, both matrices are same, inverse into that matrix is 1 or identity matrix. So it is becomes 1, only remaining is what? X of s, and here Si minus A inverse B into U of s, because I am multiplying both sides. So we got here X of s is equal to this equation. Remember one thing, X of s is equal to Si minus A inverse multiply with B matrix multiply with input, right? So substitute this X of s to the output equation. Whatever here output is, right, Y of s, substitute here X of s term. Okay. See here, substitute this X of s to the output equation Y. So Y of s is equal to C into X of s. So C into Si minus A inverse into B into U of s plus D into U of s. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ common in ಬರುತ್ತೆ, U of s is the common. Take it common U of s here. So Y here, input here, Y divided by U is equal to our transfer function. Therefore, Y of s divided by U of s is equal to C into Si minus A inverse into B matrix plus D matrix. That is Y divided by U means output by input is our transfer function. So that this is our transfer function. And one thing you have to remember and very particular while solving the problems. Okay, see here new problem ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ABCD matrix ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, state model ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, from the state model you have to write the transfer function, so that ಇಲ್ಲಿ C matrix ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Si minus A inverse you have to do. Next B matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು plus D matrix. You know that A into B is not equal to B into A. Remember this concept, AB multiplication is not equal to BA multiplication, matrix multiplication. Therefore, see here Si minus A inverse ಗೆ first C matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, B matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See the derivation, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ Si minus A inverse into B. First ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, C into X of s, C into X of s ಅದ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ Si minus A inverse into B ಅದ. ಸೊ Si minus A inverse ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ B matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ C matrix multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ Si minus A inverse into B ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ C into this multiply plus addition of D matrix. If it is D matrix is given, you can do. Otherwise, if it is 0, only this term, our transfer function. So you know that inverse of matrix is equal to what? Adjoint of matrix divided by determinant. Okay, adjoint ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನರ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ adjoint. Then determinant of the matrix. Okay, so this is about transfer function. Okay, we have to see the one problem. See, consider a system having a state model. Okay, they have given state model x dot is equal to ax plus bu, y is equal to cx, d is 0 here, no input for the output, right? So A matrix kottara, B kottara, C matrix. Okay, so you have to write A matrix, B matrix, C matrix, and D is equal to 0. Obtain the transfer function. First write the transfer function formula, C into Si minus A inverse into B. Okay, plus into input plus D. In the input, whatever input D is there, D matrix is 0. Therefore, you have to consider only first term. So first find the Si minus A inverse. Si minus A inverse ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ Si minus A matrix ನ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? Si minus A is equal to, S means operator, I means identity. Okay, see A matrix order ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 cross 2. Therefore, consider identity matrix order also 2 cross 2. Okay, both should be same order, Si matrix and A matrix. So consider identity matrix 2 cross 2, 1 and 1 here. Diagonal elements are 1, remaining elements are 0. That is called identity matrix. Minus A matrix, S multiply matrix, S 0 0 S. Okay, see S minus A. Subtract these two matrix. S minus of minus plus 2. S plus 2. Okay, 0 minus into minus plus 3. Okay, 0 minus into plus minus 4 and S minus 2. S minus 2. So this is Si minus A. Okay, So find adjoint of this. Adjoint ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first minor sign change ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is cofactor transpose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is what your inverse. Okay, one hint I will give here. Whatever 2 cross 2 matrix, if they give 2 cross 2 matrix, okay, direct you can write adjoint. How to write? So direct you can write the inverse. How to write the adjoint? Okay, how to write the adjoint for this? See, left side cross terms are there, s plus 2 s minus 2. Reverse these two elements. ಇವೆರಡು elements na reverse ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. And right side elements, right side cross elements, whatever minus 4 and 3 is there, just you have to change the sign of these two. ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus minus 4 ಅದ plus 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅದ minus 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is the what right side. Okay, next left side cross terms are there, s plus 2 s minus 2, just reverse the elements. Okay, s plus 2 the change it s minus 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ s minus 2 the change it s plus 2. Direct you can write it, otherwise you can write minor, cofactor and adjoint. Okay, ಇದು adjoint direct ಬರಿಬಹುದು. If they ask 2 cross 2, just ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇವೆರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಸ್ ಐ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಎಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 and minus 4 into 3. Okay, like this you have to do, you will get the what determinant. Okay, so SI minus A determinant, this is adjoint divided by determinant is what, your inverse term. This is what SI minus A inverse, right? So substitute in the formula, transfer function is equal to C matrix, SI minus A inverse, okay, and B matrix. Okay, see here, first ಯಾವ C multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, B ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, SI minus A inverse ಗೆ. For SI minus A inverse, you should multiply B matrix. So you got this one, and multiply C matrix. So divided by S square plus 8. Okay, multiplication, if any confusion you can ask me. See, SI minus 2 into 3. 3S minus 6. Okay, next S minus 2 into 5. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, one element ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, right? Next 4 and S plus 2 multiply with 3 and 5, you will get this, right? So multiply with C matrix, you will get 8S plus 1. Okay, if you all of you should do this problem. While doing the multiplication you will get the confused. Okay, do it, and I will give one homework. Okay, next class, next video or class, we will see the similar type of the problems.